I can't live like this.
Come on. Got it. You better fucking scream, you motherfuckers. Yes, that woman is my date. We're gonna have relations. Scream, you little fuckers. Oh, could they come out? Where's the screaming? Stop it. Stop it. Oh, there we go. Scream! You gonna come? No. Scream! Sorry. We're on 20%. Less spend. Scream for me. Oh, scream. Do something. $66. $66 on a... See? Ridiculous. Okay, 2 cents. Boom. She multi-pirate that shit. Ten times. She's fancy as fuck. 155 is odd. It is. I had an extra 5 that I wanted to dump. They don't have that shit here. Gotta raise. Bonus, bonus, bonus. We got it. Oh my God. I got a bonus at the Meadows. It's unbelievable. All right.
Man, oh man, do I love dynamite for
Okay, you ready? We gotta push here. Go to that extra spin, you bastard. Thank you. Oh!
That's the way the dynamite flows.
Yeah. This is the Meadows, guys. $10. Come on, come on. Well, Heidi, they're very similar. They definitely are very similar. Too much losing. Nothing. Nothing. Come on. She could pay that bitch, but it doesn't look like she really wants to. Oh, we got something. Well, 2x, of course. $20. $10. Wow. 2. Jesus. Come on. 10, of course. $10. Oh, Planet Moolog. Friends. Oh, $60. Our biggest win. Now we need a shirt with easy on a scooter. There's another $20. Is she waking up for us? $9. Nothing. Come on. Come on, do it. Do it. Boop. Got it. All right, we need to get to this fucking extra spin. Okay, we got the extra spin. All right, keep blowing shit up. Yes. Okay, this is good. That's good. And we got an extra spin. Okay, that's a good first spin. That paid 36 times 2. I don't know. I can't figure it out. All right, here we go on the next one. Oh boy. Nope, we're done. So that's another 20. Oh, no, 20 times 5. Oh, it didn't 5s it. It went over because it's... That sucks. All right, so 92.
That's a real pile of gold.
We'll take it. Let's do a GoFundMe for a helmet. I can't. I fucking can't. Thank you, Therese. Come on, do it again. All right, we'll stop at 200 on here. I really want the other bonus, but it doesn't look like it's happening, so we'll take the 200 and fucking run. Oh, nothing. Do something. 3. 10. Come on, do it, do it, do it! Last spin. Oh, we could do one more. Okay. Alright, hold and spin, $5 bet. Let's hope for some big balls. I don't think so, because they're all small, but you never know what to pop in. Penny gets more excited than I do. It's only $50. We're on Penny Denon. Come on. $20. Come on. 5. Come on, give me a 500. Okay. Boop. Come on. Boop. Last chance. Gotta go on reel 4. Alright, that's decent. Maybe 200 and change? A little more than 200. 215? Okay. $5 bet. Okay. We always go right. Always. Come on, 15,200. All right. You could still give me 4 of a kind, 4 reels of wild. I've gotten it before. And 78. Nothing. Go. 91 we're at. Go, go, go. Okay, we're at an even 100. Come on, go wilds. Last spin. And nothing. Alright.